For over 35 years, family-owned and operated, MLCS Woodworking has provided its customers with top-quality woodworking tools, supplies, and accessories trusted by woodworkers across the globe. MLCS continues to be customers' first choice for all their woodworking needs. You can find over 2,000 router bits in stock, most covered by the MLCS quality and satisfaction guarantee. From router bits, shaper cutters, and saw blades to woodworking books and power tools, we try to offer a variety of tools that assist any woodworking project. MLCS is constantly growing with new products and innovative ideas designed to keep meeting the needs of woodworkers in the modern world. Along with their products, you'll find complementary items from some of the industry's best-known brands. MLCS has strived to provide a top-notch customer service. Still providing free shipping throughout the United States, the MLCS staff is highly trained to efficiently fill and ship orders, ensuring delivery as quickly as possible. If you haven't tried us yet, we invite you to join the family of thousands of happy customers that we continue to serve. You can find and order all of the products that MLCS has available through their website at mlcswoodworking.com. If you're in the Southampton, PA area, stop by our brand new MLCS Woodworker showroom with full product lines from MLCS, Eagle America, Penn State Industries, Milescraft, and much more. Plus, exclusive in-store only specials, located just minutes from I-95 and the PA Turnpike. At MLCS Woodworking, you can always be confident that you will receive quality products and premier customer service. That will never change.